Fish on, guys, fish on! Daggone birds are always yakking. Well, good morning, y'all. As you can tell, I am not at Highbridge. I woke up late. Still had to stop at 7-Eleven, get my coffee. So what we're going to do is we're going to do the 100 up until around Lou comes. Once the tide changes over and goes the other direction, then I'll head down to Highbridge. So I guess it's time to get this party started, right? All right, let's see what happens. Oh, that's good coffee. Put my cheaters away. Okay, we're going to start off with the voodoo. Let's see. Let's find out which way the current's going. Should be going that way. Like I said, there is a chop on the water because there's a breeze blowing. I'm a glutton for punishment. I got a new 3-packs of voodoo. Surprisingly enough, Walmart restocked. So something works, right? What do we have? Seatrout. He looks short. He looks short. Stop it. Look at the... Come on now. The beautiful colors. Yeah, you can't. Wish you could see that mouth though. That's the key. Yellow inside, very, very nice. Well, we'll get him measured up, but he's probably only in the 13-inch, close to 14. Half inch shy. Get him back in the water. Second cast. First one was trial as far as which way the current was going. Pretty awesome. Okay, get you set back up. Get another swig of coffee. Probably gonna have to calm down for a minute now. Again, on the voodoo. They're a little bit on the expensive side. But again, when it works, you know. The only problem is I've only lost maybe one or two due to a snook framing. That's why I went up to the 30-pound test. Mostly it's structure, you know, and what's structure, that's where the fish hang out. So okay, enough of that. Back at it again. Told you that wind is a pain in the ass. It's in the shaggy. Well, the light's got a voodoo. So the light's got a voodoo, and then down below it says 62. Now there's numbers on the front of that post that tells a sailboat how much footage is from the water to the bottom of the bridge, so they don't hit it with the mast. All right, guys, I think we're gonna call it over here. It's 3:30. I got to go back to the vehicle, re-rig, and we'll see you over at Highbridge. Right now, come follow along. Hey guys, well, familiar? We're at Highbridge. Somebody's over at the other spot where the pocket is and all that, so we're back over here. So, all we do is give it a try, right? Fed the little pussycat. We're going to go to the other side. Let's see if we can get this done. Somebody leaving something. Mullet. Shrimp. It is definitely windy. Try to make it happen. Yeah.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Cool. You too.
It sucks that it's getting cold down here now because like the AC's on really cold in the shop. We want to keep the shrimp cold.
Oh my
Go outside
God.
to keep warm.
It's
So
warmer outside.
I know. I sit in my car with the heat on.
Oh shit. Okay guys, as you know, I left 100 Bridge and then I went over to High Bridge. And I know the manager at the Yellow Dog bait shop over there at High Bridge. Talk usually every morning. And he told me about this place called Long Creek Nature Preserve. As you can see, there's like parking here for kayaks now with trailers. A couple of spots there. Of course, you got spots over here. All of this is free. You don't have to pay for parking. Got a squirrel over there. Picnic benches, enough garbage containers. And I know a friend of mine, Dale, would really love this place. This is an awesome spot. He said there's a lot of redfish here, a lot of black drum here. I'm sure there's a variety of things. Yes, Long Creek Nature Preserve. It's got a nice little fishing pier. Do not part your protect our city. Oh, do your part, protect our city. It's hard to read it. So over there is the fishing pier. Nice little dock, I guess, if you have a john boat or something like that. But definitely you could use that as for your kayak launch too. Beautiful painted turtle. Some really nice artwork. Really love living in Florida. Look at the detail. I'd like to have one of these in my backyard. Probably cost a mint. There's a little inscription there. And pause it for your enjoyment if you want to read it. And so as you come over this way too, again, plenty of, you know, roadway for your kayaks. Look how nice and level this is. Look. Right down. Something like this in New Jersey, you would have to probably pay for. What the heck? But these are the canals. I'm in the C, as in Charlie, section. This walkway reminds me of Leonardo fishing off of here, bouncing off the bottom, catching fluke as I was going along. Everybody thinks you got to cast way the heck out over there. Don't realize that up against the seawall, it's where a lot of bait fish are. Still windy, as you could hear. But I'm going to come back later on in the day and try it with bait. You know, just some Walmart shrimp, because you know black drum will pick that up. I prefer it to be a little warmer out though. You know what they say? It is what it is. The other, I guess, a launch if you want to use it for that, or a John boat or whatever. Little spillway over there. But these are canals for the to-do people that I'm sure these are a big chunk of cash to own a house over here. But I'm just happy with just having these type of areas all throughout where I live in Palm Coast. And immediately, normally when I come to these docks and stuff like that, there's usually I find something. Well, sitting right there was, I didn't put my cheaters on to see if it was a Leatherman, but it's a stainless steel multi-tool. I'm like, huh, it's for me. One of those spring-loaded ones too. I'm not arguing. But like I said, I usually find something. I believe that's some sort of eatery over there. He was telling me that you'll be over here fishing late, you know, in the evening time or what have you, and just the smell from the food that comes drifting over, I'm sure it probably makes you hungry. There's that turtle again. Definitely some artwork there.
Where's the fish?
I'll be buying back later for that. It certainly wasn't now.
Did you see an animal, a dead animal?
Yeah, it's down over there. It's a deer.
It's
It's
a
a
deer,
deer.
okay. Because
Thank
the
goodness.
gentleman says, he said, when you're walking down there, he said, there's a carcass. He said, I don't know.
Yeah, somebody skinned it. I don't know if it had horns or not, but yeah.
Skinned it and dumped it? Really? What a
I
waste.
want to see it. I didn't see it. I went down to the boat ramp.
It's at the end of the boat ramp. You don't have to go down the ramp. Just go along the grass and it's right there. No, definitely not a dog. You can see the tail. So guys, thanks a lot for coming on a little tour of Long Creek Nature Preserve. I'm definitely going to try over here. It's not that bad of a walk. As you can see, there's my vehicle right over there. And kind of excited about trying this place. So we'll see. So again, thanks for coming by. Take the little tour with me. And you know, appreciate it if you give me a thumbs up, if you hit that subscribe, and then bang that bell. And we'll catch you on the next one. Y'all take care.